Hi, I'm Sandy Coyne Gilbert, and I'm your upcoming instructor. I wanted to give you some insights into who I am and how I teach, because I think that may make this course and any subsequent courses easier. First of all, I am a true believer in the power of relationship. I believe that when we meet people, we have an opportunity to be inspired by them and to try to inspire them as well. I think that life is an incredible opportunity in general. Hi, I'm Sandy Coyne Gilbert, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about my teaching philosophy. I believe that teaching is one of the most incredible opportunities I've ever been given. Short of motherhood, it's been the place where I've grown the most and changed the most. So why do I teach? I teach because I believe that change in our world is incredibly important. And I believe that if I am given the opportunity to help others to find their path and their way to fulfill their potential, then I have done what I'm supposed to do here on this planet. So I teach to really inspire others to think through what they believe. And I think that's really a critical part of education, is helping us to find out what we really believe. What that means is I don't have all the answers. And I think that's incredibly wonderful to be able to say, I don't have the answers. I just have some wicked great questions. And so I want to ask those questions, and I want to ask them with you. I also want to spend the time to get to know you and inspire you to think about knowing more about the topics in front of us. Healthcare is vital. There isn't anybody who doesn't need healthcare. At some point in our lives, great healthcare will make or break our lives. And so learning all that we can to understand how to make our imprint on healthcare and help healthcare to get even better is a wonderful place to begin. I love that Christopher Reeve had this quote, and he said, you can stay in the shallow end of the pool, or you can go into the ocean. And I love that, because to me, that's what teaching is. I go into an ocean. I don't know where we'll go sometimes. I know the topics I want to cover, but I don't know precisely how we'll get there, because it depends on the group of people that I'm working with. It means every voice counts, and that's a critical part of my belief. I want to hear from you. And if something doesn't look right or feel right or seem right, then it's not right to you. And if it's not, then let's look at how we can make that better. I believe in every student I work with. I believe in their power. I believe in their potential. And I also believe that they are meant to do incredible things in this world. But none of us do what we're intended to do alone. It takes a village. And so that's a lot of what teaching is. It's creating villages for people. A village of support, a village of belief, a village that inspires, just a village. It's a community. I believe in that. And really my important goal, if you remember nothing from this, is that you and I are going to go on a journey together. And journeys are incredibly important. Arthur Ashe was an incredible tennis player. He also had heart disease, and in the course of having a transfusion, a blood transfusion, he contracted AIDS. And so he battled racism and he battled AIDS with grace and a tennis racket. And one of his quotes is that, it isn't the destination. And I'm paraphrasing. It's not the destination. It is the journey. And so each step in this path that we have together is really important. Does it mean that every day is going to be perfect in this class? No. I would hope that you will look back with fondness, but really, I want several things for you. I want you to be curious. I want you to be inspired to be curious. I want you to ask me any and every question, and I hope I don't have the answers so I can go and find some more for us. I also hope that in this process, you're going to see something of where your journey is going to take you. And the other thing is I want you to be a better communicator. All of us could benefit from that, particularly written communication. So if I seem to be pushing you on that, it's not to be difficult, but rather because you have brilliance in you. And I want you to see that brilliance. And I want you to bring it out. And I want you to never let it go. And so that is why I teach. I teach because I'm on a journey with you. I teach because I believe in you and all your fellow students. And finally, I teach because I want you to add your brilliance to this world. We are a needy world, and we really could use your brilliance right now. So I'm going to close by saying there is nothing that I look forward to more than hearing from you. Please call me, email me, text me, but let me know how I might help you. You are the reason that I do what I do, and I love what I do. So I truly hope you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to working with you very soon. Take care.